Hi, I'm gonna demo the Ninja countertop oven. It's a nice addition. I do not need to use oven for small stuff. This is very small, although it's broad, you can see, but the broadness actually helps. This is a door which opens up nicely. It comes with 3 trays and a crumb catcher, which is really nice. You can easily remove it and clean up. It comes with a baking tray which has does all your baking needs. It's sufficiently big. It has a bagel grill where you can put your toast on, and it toasts really nice with all the grill marks if need be. It has an air fryer basket where the net is really good and the quality is good, so that it does a lot of take a lot of heat. It has 2 dual heaters on the top as well as on the bottom, and it has a fans on the side. It helps on heating up evenly, as well as the air fryer mode, which has the frying and the wind flows. It's really fast. It heats up in 2 minutes. Actually less than 2 minutes for a temperature of like 400 Fahrenheit. The biggest part that I like about this is once you are done with it, you can just clean up and one single hand and it's away. You have your countertop empty and use it for whatever need you have. It looks nice. It's all silver and stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about that. The other part is the dial. It's very simple to use. It gives you the timer as well as the fire temperature, and the baking modes are like multiple of them. You can do bagel, toast, and it has the dual mode as well, which heats up and does all the rapid baking stuff, which is very simple and easy to do. You can this guy also has a manual mode, which is really nice, and you can change the temperature and the timer with one single button click, which is really good.
This Ninja air fryer has been perfect for my family. I bought this 2 years ago and it is still working perfectly. I'm going to show you a little bit about this. Here you just turn it on there, and the setting that you have it set on will be blinking. I have it on air fryer because that's usually what I use this for, but you can actually do broil. You twist the knob to change it, air roast, bake, toast, bagel, reheat, or dehydrate. Here you can set your time if you need to change your time, or the mode, or the temperature. It is very easy to work, and it's very user-friendly to be able to watch and see your food cooking. It also has a light that you can turn on and you can see. Okay, like I said, I've had this a long time, so I do have a few stains in there, excuse that. But I want to open this up and I want to show you. It has a top rack. It has this rack. It has a bottom like catch-all. I say my catch-all rack. That way the food doesn't fall on the burners. Okay, the last thing I want to show you is how this piece of equipment lets up. I love that it lets up after it's cooled. It will tell you to flip, and when you're ready to flip, all you do is flip it up just like that, and now you have your counter space back. And when you're ready to use it again, you just flip it down. It's just got a flip on it. I'll show you. It's got a little base that it sits on. This is a very nice Ninja air fryer. Someone has detected it. My new air fryer. Pan is super big. I made bacon this morning. It was better than my other air fryer. This is a Ninja food. Ninja sauce. Yeah, that's fine.
Sure?
Yeah.
Oh, are you showing somebody?
Back again. I have 10 minutes left of the initial preheat testing of my Ninja Foodie, and at this time I do smell a slight odor. It's not noxious, it just smells like something's getting hot. They said not to be concerned about it, but I thought I'd report back that there is a slight smell. Not overwhelming.
So it goes down when we want to use it. There's the air fryer. All the things that it can do. And then when we're done with it, we just put it back up. And it fits right under the counter. Look at that. Cool.
Pretty sure I've had this for less than a year. Definitely no more than a year. And I just cooked something in it under a quick broil, and this happened a couple minutes later.
really hard to clean in between all the time. And it stains very easily, so you're cleaning this all the time.
I bought me an air fryer. It's the Ninja. I think it's SB 101, the tilt up, and I cook my first meal in it. Salmon, broccoli, and corn. I'm so excited.